How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. So today we're back on the Dakota again, and it's probably going to end up being a little bit of a shorter video just because I have a little problem that I got to fix, but I figured I'd make an update video and share it with you guys. So one day I went to start the truck and it sounded a lot louder than it usually does, and it's got a nice rumble to it to begin with, but one day I started it and it sounded really loud, and it sounded like it was coming from right underneath the passenger seat. Lo and behold, I crawl underneath and my exhaust somehow just rotted right in half. There was like a hanger there or something, and it just rusted around right around that hanger, and I think it was where the two pipes actually overlapped. And my aftermarket exhaust from that point back was stainless, but the front half was steel, which was the factory part, and it just kind of rotted right away. So we're going to make a video where we fix all that and get it back to how it should be. That way it passes an inspection, because I need to get one. So I'll take you guys underneath the truck and show you where it rusted away, and then we'll get right to fixing that. So let's get to work. But before we tear into fixing that exhaust, I'll give you guys a nice little cold start. That way you guys can hear what it sounds like currently with the exhaust being broken and compare it to how it'll sound after I fix it. I'm not sure if it'll pick up good or not on the audio, but we'll give it a shot. How's that sound? Yeah. Hey. Got the exhaust all fixed.
Did you?
Yeah. What do you think of it?
I like it.
Well, guys, as you saw and heard, I got my exhaust fixed finally, and I put those exhaust clamps or brackets on there because I just needed it to be a quick fix. Eventually, I'll probably go back and weld that patch piece into the actual exhaust. That way there's not, you know, that junky mess under there, but it'll work for now. I'm satisfied with it. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to hear the difference in the sound audio comparison, but I'll throw them in right here. So that was just the old broken exhaust versus the new fixed exhaust. Before, it just sounded like it was, like I said, it was just dumping right underneath the passenger seat. So it was like a straight pipe basically. But very happy that it's finally fixed. I'm not getting a drone, you know, sound effect anymore when I'm driving. And, you know, makes the ride a little bit more, I don't want to say peaceful, but enjoyable. But I think that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. A little bit shorter than usual, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I wanted to thank you guys for watching. There's been a lot of growth on the channel recently, and we really appreciate that. Couldn't do it without you. Like I mentioned in the previous video, if you guys aren't following our Instagram, make sure you guys go follow that. I'll leave the handle down below. When we reach 500 followers on the Instagram, we're going to be doing another giveaway only through the Instagram, so you guys got to be following that to check out all the details whenever we reach 500. But other than that, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, leave your comments down below, and make sure you guys are subscribed if you're not already. And we got lots of other cool videos in the lineup, especially with the Cummins, both Cummins actually, and maybe a few more things with the Dakota on the way. And we're very excited to share it with you guys. We might have a Christmas special coming up. You guys don't want to miss that. It'll be a very fun video. And looking forward to filming that and sharing it with you guys. But I'll stop the rambling, and I'll let you guys enjoy another video, or just enjoy the rest of your day. Always accelerate and don't look back. Catch you on the next one.